Hello and welcome to our kitchen. Yes. So today we thought we would do something really fun. We've been home from Disney for about a week, a little less than a week.
Actually,
this time
we were in Disney last week.
At this time, so we're missing it a lot right now. So we wanted to do some type of fun kind of Disney at home type of a thing.
Yeah.
So what we're gonna do today is we're here in the kitchen, and my mom actually had this idea. What are we gonna do?
We're gonna recreate our favorite snack from our trip, which is the raw cookie dough, or edible cookie dough. So it doesn't have any eggs in it, and the flour, I heard it could be another problem that might cause salmonella. So I looked it up, and they said that you can make your flour safe, so that you're not consuming raw flour by baking it. So you put it on a baking sheet with parchment paper, and bake it for 7 minutes at 350, and then sift it, and you're good to go. So we're ready.
Yes, so that's what we've been working with. So you just did that process with the
yes, that's
so
done.
We got that. But yeah, so this is one of our favorite vacation snacks. We've had this a couple of places. When we stayed at All Star Sports, they have it in the what do they call that area? Just like their walk-up
quick service
there.
Yeah.
I forget what it's called, but yeah, it's like their quick service that's there at the resort. And we would get it, I think we had it a few different times as like our snack at night when we would come back to the room. It was always what we would look forward to.
It was cookies. So good. We always like the cookie dough
better than the actual
cookies. So now that we can make it and it be safe to eat, we think it's really cool.
So
we have everything set up over here. All you're going to need is, okay, so it's 1 stick of softened butter, and then we got a ½ a cup of both granulated and brown sugar.
Yes.
And then
here's our directions.
Yep.
Thing.
We have
ingredients
2 teaspoons of the vanilla extract, the cup of flour.
And this was the one that you baked, right?
Yes, this is the one I baked, and then sifted out any of the lumps or whatever.
Yes, so it's been baked, so it's safe for consumption.
No salmonella or anything. And
there's
then
Mickey.
some set sea salt. I was out of sea salt, so I'm using kosher salt.
That works.
And then chocolate chips. So I have a cup of chocolate chips. So first we're going to start by...
your little Mickey cups that I got you from the Disney store.
At the bottom we'll see Mickey's
You'll find
face.
there's lots of little Disney touches all around throughout the house.
Okay, so we're going to start by...
So what are you doing now? That's the butter?
Yeah, and we're going to add in the 2 sugars.
So butter, 2 sugars added. And we're mixing.
So well combined, so that looks well combined to me.
Well combined, so how long would you say you were, that was?
Minute, if that.
Yeah.
Okay, and then let me just make sure I put the ingredients in order. So then add in the vanilla. So we want 2 teaspoons of vanilla, which I heard a cap size is a teaspoon. I learned that on a cooking network, so 1. And I do like vanilla flavoring.
I love the smell of vanilla.
Yeah.
It's awesome. Okay.
Okay.
Next ingredient.
So just mix that a little bit. All right. And then it says that we are going to stir in the flour, the salt, and the chocolate chips. So flour first. I'll just put, I think I can just put it all in there. And it was a 1/4 teaspoon of...
1/4 teaspoon?
So not much at all. 1/4 teaspoon of the salt. Okay. And let's mix that to
All
stir
right.
in the chocolate chips.
The best
so that,
part.
I think I'll just do that by spoonful.
Oh, here, and appreciate the little Mickey. Oh, I don't think I've ever paid attention that each one of these mixing cups, it's Mickey with a different face. So there's like a winky face Mickey. And this is like the, ooh, Mickey. So now you're just gonna fold those in.
Gonna fold this in. And you see, really just work it in there until it forms like a ball of dough. So I can see it's tightening up.
Yeah.
From
Yeah, it almost seems like the consistency that we kind of want it. Did it say online like what you're looking for, like when you know it'd be?
Let me look at the recipe at the end here again and just see what it says. All right, so the recipe said after we added in the flour, the salt, and the chocolate chips, you just work that until a dough forms. So I would think that that is starting to look
It's starting
like,
to look doughy.
and you can see it's holding together.
Yeah. Just get all those loose chocolate chips.
There is also said, there's so many recipes online. This one said mini chips, but I used just the regular ones like we had in the, down there. So I guess it's your preference, and some people put M&Ms or whatever kind of cookie dough you prefer. When we were, Aristocrapes had it over at Disney Springs.
Yes,
And,
that was good.
They also had brownie batter, and what was the other one?
It was a seasonal one, like a
Okay.
holiday one. So I think that it changed. But yeah.
And then that BB Wolf's had it where they had bacon, maple bacon.
That'd be good. I would like that.
Which, I heard mixed reviews from people online about that. Some people thought it was a little weird, but okay, I think that's it. And then you just cover it and
let it like almost like making bread, right?
Yeah, you cover it, and the people who wrote this recipe says they don't refrigerate it. I know at Aristocrapes they took it out of the refrigerator. So
yeah.
I think I would store it in there, but let me get out a little bowl and we will
try it
taste
out
and see what it's like.
Yeah, I'm really excited for this. Like my mom said, we also had cookie dough at Aristocrapes at Disney Springs, and it's really cute. And do you remember how they served it to us there? They took actual like cookie chunks and made it like look like I'll insert a picture,
Mickey
but
ears.
they made it look like Mickey ears. So I wonder if we have like any of those little like Chips Ahoy things that we could.
I don't know.
For you know the what do they call that, presentation purposes. I know we have like Oreos or something, but
I think we do have.
yeah, because it was really cute. The way that they did it at Disney Springs at Aristocrapes, it was like that you had your bowl of cookie dough, and then they took like a singular cookie, cut it in half, and then like used each half as an ear. So presentation wise, it was really cute. So my mom just got the best idea. Look at this. And I think this is actually how, because I got the brownie at Disney Springs.
So I guess it should form this more
and this
into
is
a
what they
ball.
did there at that Aristocrapes. It was actually in my brownie version. It was that type of like little chocolate thing, I think. So this is perfect.
And so we'll make
Oh
it
my gosh, look at that. Oh, get it down there.
Alrighty.
There it is. So cute.
So do we give it a taste test and see what
Yes,
it's
let's
like?
give it a taste test. All right, so here it is.
There we go.
How cute. Okay, we're gonna give it a little taste test and see if it lives up to how we remember it being at Disney. All right, you wanna go first, Mom?
All right, yeah.
Yay. Is it good?
Yep, it's good.
It's good.
I like it. I think it'll even be better when it sits in it. I do like it a little colder.
Colder,
and that's how
yes. Because that's how they served it to us at Disney Springs. And I think, was it how it was at All Stars too?
They
I think
had
it
it-
was kind of like refrigerated
Yeah, it
or
was-
like coming out fresh from,
Yep, so, okay.
yeah, it was
Here's your
chilled.
spoon.
Okay, now I'm gonna try. Okay, here we go. Oh wow. That's good. Wow. That was really good. That lives up to, yeah, that's exactly how I remember it at At Disney. Oh.
We're gonna enjoy that now and have our little treat. And there, it makes a lot. So
It does.
like,
Look at that. So now
there's
we have
going to be
cookie dough all week.
yeah, plenty to share. Good for a party or something.
Oh my gosh, yeah, that's a cute idea.
Yeah. So.
Have us at a party.
And then, you know, our little friend Mickey is over here. We always have to move our kitchen chair over. He likes to look out the window. Mickey, you want to say hi to everyone?
Grooming himself.
Grooming himself now. All right.
Okay, we're now like sitting here just eating this. This is really good. This is, wow. I'm trying to remember which one it reminds me more of. The one at Disney at All-Star Sports or the one at Disney Springs. What do you think? I kind of think it reminds me more of the one at All-Star Sports.
Maybe.
Yeah, and I liked that one better.
Yeah, that was good.
Yeah, so I'm happy with it. This is yes.
So anyway,
what I was craving.
My next endeavor is to try to make Dole Whips at home. So that'll be the next one. So if you like this video or whatever, we'll try to get another Disney home cooking vlog.
Cooking vlog. Yes, this is what we do to fill our lives with Disney when we can't be in the park.
Yeah.
So you always got to find those ways to bring it home, you know.
And my husband, he's
Disney
not around
yet.
yet. He was prepping. We want to replicate the Festival of the Arts. When we were there, we tried the beef Wellington.
So that's where I'm for dinner tonight.
And so yeah, he said we're going to try that one at home. So yeah, it's one of those days. It's kind of cold and gloomy, so we thought we might as well cook and bake.
Cook and bake and make little Disney treats. So yeah, this was really good. This is now a keeper of a recipe, absolutely. And you saw how easy it was to make, and you just pop that flour in the oven for what, 7 minutes?
I kept it, it's at 5 to 7. I left it in right at 6, and you could see, it says let the internal temperature of the flour get to like 160, and that was all I did. And then let it cool down a little bit, sift it, and that was the longest part, was waiting for it to cool down a little bit and my butter to soften.
Right, and then you're just combining all of the ingredients together here. Oh, and I don't know if we mentioned, but the recipe online said that this is also 100% vegan.
Oh, right.
As well, yeah.
It's
so because
eggless,
it's eggless, and yeah, so it's a good treat for everybody. So yeah, this was so fun, and like my mom said, Dole Whip video will be coming. That's what I'm really excited for, because I love Disney Dole Whip.
It's a little cold today to be Dole Whipping,
yeah,
but
we'll have to wait until it warms up a bit. But I don't know, I think it's always a good time for a Disney Dole Whip. But yeah, absolutely. And we didn't have Dole Whip this last trip. I don't think we did. There were so many other like good things that we were trying. So yeah, I'm ready for Dole Whip. So that will be the next one. And yeah, so thank you for joining us. There will be a lot more Disney content coming very soon, and more content from here at home. So thank you for watching, and we will see you guys really soon.
Have a good day.
Mickey, you want to say hi to everybody? This is our kitty cat, Mickey. He is named after Mickey Mouse. Hi. What are you doing? He's looking outside. Mickey. Mickey, say hi. There's a pretty kitty. There's a pretty kitty.